Barka da zuwa wannan channel ta mai albarka, kada ku manta ku danna subscribe domin kasancewa da
za mu taimake ku yadda mutane za su yi noma za su kama kifi da kuma za su samu tsoro. Allah ya ga shi ne abin da muka kawo.
Barazu gwamna Borno kunyiro zauro askirina chidijere alau da man laujeriro suron jiya ne ga murum futu jaman da so ikinda ramza bula pindin luko uskun biya na harin chidi alawere jiya sandiya karindu badan za patara ya awa gab suna san masu bada zai allo isa amma da sabta na harin naftada an budare am karuwaye am dole zaura himaye am dole kinga yomaye bulande awo mai narin sita ya wuri organizu talwani organizu yutu organizu bula pindin uskunci di arewa da san maso
jama am Nigeria bula ga suna ladu Borno ina da zana sama assalamu alaikum a wurin ne adiya na da su duna da ai magin dawar bare ba ai mamon jimba na da lushe no zana kutu razu kamala a nirocina amso bare sa dinde da disro sala rume wurin kamala a da reserves ne leba ba isa lawan bare ga wurin mutat an ko an da sunna ai magi an da sudu ishe kandaram da ruhiya idea bara kamala ilan bala shi honorable satomi pindi no skun gulzana hare isa amsa nafsa bare da sati. And therefore we are here purposely to look into the possibility of resumption of irrigation activities in the shores of the Lake Alo. And we are also here to look into the possibility of resettling back these 28 communities to their original homes. The government of Borno State, under the leadership of the Chief of Army Staff, under the leadership of the Charter Commander, the GOC, most importantly, the two CEOs that are here, we shall be collaborating with them to look into the possibility of strengthening the security operatives. The military, the police, the civil defense, the civilian JTF, and the hunters are very important. We can provide their requirements. We can provide the logistics for them. Most importantly, we shall key into their own plan with a view to allowing people to start their normal farming activities, to start their normal fishing activities, as you have witnessed what is happening now in Maiduguri. Maiduguri is now housing a population of over 3 million. Life without food is never possible. I also want to express my sincere appreciation to the President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Nigerian Armed Forces who has provided some irrigation equipment to the government, approved provision of some irrigation equipment to the government of Borno State. Inshallah, we shall come and provide water pumps to you. We shall come and provide some kits that will allow you to do your fishing activities. That is why we are here. And inshallah, we shall support you. Thank you very much, and we all want to.
Commissioner. Come on.